How to turn on or off calls notifications on AMO app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off AMO app calls notifications easy and quick. So first thing, go to your AMO app. In here, click on your profile icon and click on settings. Now all you need to do is click on notifications and you're gonna find the second option or the third option, which is calls. Click on it. Now you have the first option, which is turn on or off if you want to avoid missing calls. And that's if you turn on this option, help you to not miss any calls. Now if you want to turn on vibrate notifications vibrate, turn off this option. Change notifications ringtone, click on this to choose the ringtone, and you have color tone, click on it and turn and change your calls tone. So this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like.